can we modify the policy for IAM user, right? Can we means as a root user, you can do it, first thing. Or as a Spider-Man cannot do. But if I go to other users here, for example, there is a senior person, then Spider-Man. His name is Keshav, example. What he has permissions? He has administrator access permissions. So this person can modify roles, modify policies. But Spider-Man cannot do that. So that's the reason Spider-Man escalated things to Keshav. What Keshav has done, in our case, he has escalated to root user. Root user has logged into the AWS. He went to all the way to IAM. He went to Spider-Man. He checked what policy it is attached. Okay. He was trying to access SSM. This was not there. I added it. Then he was trying to connect the EC2 instance. There was an exception. I added this. In which region? Only North Virginia. So this is all based on the permissions only. Policy will be modified and attached. Now, as a Spider-Man, I am user. I'm a cloud engineer. I am a junior cloud engineer. I joined a project. I got a requirement saying that, can you launch a Linux machine in AWS in North Virginia? Yes, I'm launching it. I want to connect and test it. These steps will not work. Why? Because I'm a junior cloud resource. I don't have this key pair. If you ask, they will not give you. Why? This is called security best practices. And how to troubleshoot this? How to connect and see whether this instance is running fine? You have to use session manager. To enable this button, we did a lot of troubleshoot. During the troubleshoot, you had a lot of challenges. That's why you escalate to your senior persons. They fix the problem. Again, you have to come here, click on connect button. Then you need to do some basic checks. Even this particular IAM user doesn't have this particular policy. You see, this policy is not there. Again, you need to escalate to your senior person. He will go to AWS as his own credentials where he has access to, check your username, then go to that policy, click on edit policy, and let's say Keshav is modifying the policy based on the Spider-Man. Why? Spider-Man has notified Keshav saying that I am trying to connect the session through session manager, it is not working. So I have given this error. So as a Keshav, what you will do, you'll modify the policy. Once policy is modified, now Spider-Man is gonna connect that instance through session manager. See, now it is loading. The moment you connect, check PWD ID means where are you, who are you, then cd slash or sudo su. cd enter. Check where are you, what you have, and who are you, and you are on which operating system. And check my computer. These are basic checks. You will check all this. You will confirm to your application owner who has given the requirement to you, who has given this requirement to launch. To them, you will confirm, hey, instance has been provisioned by me. I connected remotely with the help of session manager. I validated distribution. I validated file system, my computer, and it is working fine. Please take it. On this machine, they can install anything. They means, example, they want to install SAP software. They can install. They will hire SAP basis person to install it. They'll connect remotely this machine. They'll install SAP or Tableau. They'll install Microsoft SQL Server, or could be anything. The purpose could be anything. So what we have as IAM user, as per the need, I launch a Linux machine. Tomorrow, let's say today I got another request saying that, can you launch a Unix machine? Who, as a Spider-Man, want to launch a Unix machine? Yes, you can launch it. By go all the way to your EC2 dashboard and click on launch instance, say Unix distribution, select the drop down here, you will get the Unix AMI. If you don't see here, you have to go to browse and select the AMI, launch it. That's it. If you want to launch one more, as a Spider-Man, he will launch Windows. As a Spider-Man, Red Hat. Based on the need, he will launch. Now, Spider-Man has launched, connected, hand over the machine in the real time. As part of the practice, once you connect after verification, what you need to do is you need to terminate or stop it. Stop or terminate. Stop means that AWS is not going to charge. Terminate is nothing but delete. See, as a Spider-Man, I don't have permissions to terminate. Even this policy also need to attach. This is how reality works in the real time. But Spider-Man can stop the instance. he has that permissions to stop. Once it is done, you can log out from your AWS account. This is what your 8 hours job looks like.